Hey Valley, hey Valley Oaks High School. This is Mr. Shelton here. I just want to do a quick tutorial on how to log into Edmentum and how to navigate your classes on Edmentum. So you're at this point here. The instructions say to go to the login. Up here you say login.edmentum.com. First thing we type in is KCOOE, and that is case sensitive. And then we put in our username. You can see my username is already in here, but I'm going to put a different one. So remember, it's the first two letters of your first name. So my name is Tom. My last name is Shelton, so it'd be T-O, and then plus your last name, Shelton. And then your password is your birth date with the month number, the day number, and the year number. So two numbers for the month. So let's say I was born on in June. So it'll be 06, because two numbers for the month. And let's say it was June 1st, 01, okay? And then the year, all four numbers of the year. All right, so after you do that, you click Login. And if it worked correctly, it'll take you to your home screen that'll show the classes that you have on your account. Going a little slow today, but that's all right. So it's going to log up here. You can see it says my name up here is today's date, home. You can see that right here where it says new, that's a new class for me. And this is the one that a lot of you will be taking. I want you to look at this right now. This tells me this is the class that I'm in, health. Right now, I have done 0 out of 32 assignments for this class. It says I'm off pace. So you want this little avatar person to be green. That means you're on pace. And you see this little bar? That's where you should be. So right now I've done 0 assignments. I should have done 4 things so far. So let's go into the class and I'll show you exactly what that looks like. Once you start doing things also, before I do that, you can see right here, this algebra, current grade, I have an F, and the course grade, I have an F, because I haven't done anything. Now, current grade is your grade on the work that you do complete, and the course grade is your final overall grade. This grade will be lower than this upper one for a long time. So I'm going to click on this, and we're going to go into the actual class. All right, so you can see I'm into the class, the health class, and I can go through and watch the orientation, which I highly recommend you do so that you know how to navigate the course a little better than what I'm explaining to you. Also, you can look at the syllabus, which will tell you all of the things you will be covering. During the summer, I cancel out some of the things that you do, so you won't be covering everything in that syllabus. But you can see these plus signs. These are my assignments, different units. So if I click on Unit 1, it opens up. And then what I do is I start clicking on these. These things that look like books are lessons. And then this thing right here that looks like a test is actually the test at the end. So if I click on this book, the lesson, I will have two things to do. I'll do the tutorial, which I'll watch the tutorial. It'll read to me. I can answer some questions there. And then I'll take a mastery test. So every lesson follows the same thing. You watch the tutorial, and that could be 30 minutes to 45 minutes, and that acts as the teacher or the book. There will be some things that you read. There might be things that are read to you. There might be charts that you look at, and then you take the mastery test each lesson. You just work your way through the whole course, and then when you're done with all of these lessons, and you'll know when you're done because it'll turn green, meaning that you're done, and then you take the post test. All right. So what I'm going to do is close that. Now, if I need to go back to my home screen, I can click on Home right here. And the next time I come back to my class, it'll show me the lesson I was just last on. All right, everybody. I hope you do well. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.